welcome back to my channel. My name is ItzelCuch, and in today's video I will be showing you 5 booty workouts that you can do at home with a baby in your arms. So I'm 5 months postpartum, and I can honestly tell you that a lot of the times I would say I can't work out, the baby's not letting me, he wants all my attention. But when you really want something, there's no excuses. So I learned how to do my workouts with my baby in my arms. Working out doesn't have to be a hassle. It can be very, very fun. And it's something that you can do with your family, with your baby. And this baby needs a lot of attention, like a lot. Before you start doing anything, please ask your doctor if he gives you the okay to start working out. Before we go any further, I want to invite you to subscribe. I think I'm gonna have the link somewhere here. And if you don't want to miss any videos, just go ahead and click on that bell little button. Click on that little bell button so that you won't miss any videos. It will notify you every time that I upload one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you're excited for more like this. And without further ado, let's just go on with the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I would love to hear from you, so please comment down below which one of the workouts you think would be the hardest for you to do, but that you're still gonna go for it and try it and do your best. I would love for us to be friends, so I'm going to leave all my social media links down below. I always say all, but I only have Facebook and Instagram, which are the ones that I use the most. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Say bye. He says bye. Bye.